Haye, how Bardazani, ورۆز Kurdistan, Haye, Bardazani. They gonna hate this because they like Kurdistan. It's your boy Slaw Biji Kurdistan, ورۆز Kurdistan. You already know it's your boy Jay Munchie, you know what I'm saying, back with another Zor Swapaz reaction video, you know what I'm saying, B-leg, you know what I'm saying. You already know, look at these beautiful Kurdish women right here, you know what I'm saying. We about to react to Newroz Palangan, you know what I'm saying, Hawraman, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, you know what I'm saying, hope you guys get ready, because we about to get lit to this Kurdish music, you know what I'm saying? Or should I say, Kurdish dansi. Yeah, hey. Kurd. That was awesome. Letting the kalash off, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Probably wasn't a kalash, but I never seen a Kurdish dance start like this. Now this one I really like. Is this Syria? Where is they at? This don't look like Iraq. This look like Syria for some reason, because I don't know, maybe it is Kurdistan. I mean, they Kurds doesn't mean they actually perform this in Kurdistan, in the country, in Iraq, meaning. But this probably is in Iraq. I've never been to Iraq, so I don't know. Y'all let me know though. Oh, that's a nice shot. Oh, you see how the mountains in the background look so majestic, and the sun is just beaming, glistening on these people. And you see why they are the people of the sun, you know what I'm saying? Look at this man. This man is me. Here we go. This is probably my favorite video when they dancing outside. What is the name of this this event that y'all have? Let me know in the comment section. I really want to know. What's the actual name? Like, honestly, I definitely react for the dances, but it's not like I don't want to know And especially because when I mention it's my favorite, it's because this is the most the most traditional Kurdish dance video I ever seen. They got the fire burning, you know what I'm saying? You can see the steam coming from down the stream. Is that the Tigris River? I don't know. Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? And y'all are ancient Tigrans? Is you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Like, I got a feeling that y'all, like, people of the Tigrans too, you know what I'm saying? Greater Kurdistan had a big should I say Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? Had a big, and back in ancient times, you know what I'm saying? Had a big piece of land, and I'm talking about real big piece of land. Little Tartar. Kurdish shit. Was that Medinia, the singer? Did I just see him? Y'all probably like, wait, whoa, wait a minute. How you know him? Oh, go check out my reaction videos. And I deserve for you to share this with all your Kurds. You heard? Just because I just recognized that. Smash that like button right now. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment right now. You know what I'm saying? If you love your boy J1G, because yeah, I'm not stupid. I see what the world are trying to do. They trying to create this bad image of my people. These people are beautiful people. You know what I'm saying? And if you didn't really know, Kurds are basically, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Used to live in, Syria. You know what I'm saying? That's where they really from. But I ain't whispering. I'm just telling you. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I don't know. I feel like this is Syria. See, where is the country of Gulistan? Yeah, I mean, what? You thought I didn't know? Yeah, I know. Baluchistan. I ain't talking about Baluchistan right now, though. But they are Kurds, too. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Let me know in the comment section. I don't know why that Kurdish girl looked so familiar. Why that Kurdish girl looked so familiar to me? I don't know. It's like I've seen her before. She might be famous too. Or famous now. I don't know. I seen Mehdi Medina in here, so I mean, is his name Ahmed Medina? Something like that? I forget. Yeah, probably like Mehdi Medina, like you said his name twice. I think it's Ahmed or something like that. I forget, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be funny, but I sure look black on them. I mean, look good on them. Look good on them. Black look good on them. I'm not gonna lie. I love the colors, you know what I'm saying? Very beautiful. Hey. Ooh, Peshmerga guy. Oh. We ain't gonna get into that. Not right now. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Chia. Hey, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, you know what I'm saying, so you don't miss the upload from your boy J Munchie, Biji Kurdistan. Gang. You're not ganging with the Kurdish gang. You know what I'm saying?